Good morning, student. In our grammar or 13 chapters, name is preposition. It means preposition. So, what is preposition? The words, we can say that the word that are used to show relation of noun or pronoun with other words are called preposition. It means here prepositions show us here the position of thing. Once again, preposition show the position of one things in a compare of another thing. It means where is the one things and where is the another things in a compares of each other here. So prepositions show the position of each and everything here. So we have the different uses of the preposition. First example is given here, like the fruit are in the basket. So here we can say that where are fruit? So the fruits are in the basket. So here if the something is inside of something, so we have to use here in preposition here. So where is here? Where is the fruit? The fruits are in the basket. So here inside the basket, for in we can use here the things is inside of something. So we have to use in when the something is inside something here. Then second example, the girl swims into the pool here. So here into we can use here into when the motion is given here, like we can say that the girls is already here inside the pool or inside the river or swimming pool, so we can use here in. But when we have so here the movement of some person, so here the girls is swimming here, so the motion is going on, so on that time the motion is going on that time we can use here into. Then third example is given here, the glass is on the table here, the glass is on the table. So where when we have to use here on article, here on preposition, when the something is on something, it means the object is touched to the something, and the object we are talking about glass here, and glass is on the table. So here the glass is touching to the table, so on that time we can use here on preposition, because in on the object must be touched to something and the object is always on upper side here. Then fourth example, the cat is under the bed. So here when we have to use here under preposition, when something is below of something. Here the cat is below the bed. So for the cat we can use here under preposition when the object or any noun is under of something. So on that time under is used to show the things is below of something here. So the cat is under the bed here. Then the red fort is in Delhi. So for the place, we can say that the red fort is inside the Delhi. So here the red fort is in Delhi. So inside the Delhi, we can use here in preposition here, because the red fort is situated inside the Delhi here. Then we can say that the boy walk in the morning. The boy walk in the morning. So here the boy walk in the morning. Here it is the duration is given in the morning, in the evening, in the noon. So in is also so here the time duration here, which is the time you are talking about. So in the morning, in the afternoon, in the noon time, in the evening, in the night. So in is also so the duration of time here. Then after we can say that the the tree is near the house. So where is the tree? When the some object or something is too much near of something. So here for showing here the tree is near the house, for showing the nearness we can use here the near preposition for showing the too much near of something. So the tree is near the house. So near is used to show the next position of something here. Then after the girl is standing between two boys here. So here between two, when the object or any noun is between two person or two thing, so on that time we can use between. Between means among three person here. Like I'm talking about girl. So where is the girl? So the girl is between two boys. If two chair is there and one table is putting between two chair, so where is the table? So table is between two chair here. So like same is here, between is showing here between two people, between two noun we are talking about. Then after then after they distributed sweet among the children. Between means only two, but among means more than two. We are talking about more than two. So the person, the rich man distributed chocolate or sweets among the children. So here the children, the number of children are more than two. And if only two is there, so on that time we have to use between preposition, but for more than two we have to use among. So more peoples are there, we are talking about more people, so on that time we have to use among preposition here. The girl is studying after 9 o'clock here. So after and before, after means the any fixed time is given here. After 9, it means before the 9, she is not reading here, but when after the 9 o'clock occurred, on that time she is starting her work reading. So after means some fixed time, it means after some fixed time she started her work here. So we can use here after and before for showing here when she or he or we start our work here. Then my school start at 7:30 a.m. So when we have to use at preposition, at show the time here. When the time we want to show the time in our sentence, so before the time, before the fixed time, we have to use at preposition here. So 7:30 is given here. So by seeing the time, we have to use at preposition before the time here. Then we then after we will finish our task by Sunday. So before the Sunday, by Sunday, we will finish our task by Sunday. So when we have to use by, so before the Sunday we shall complete our task is given here. So before the Sunday we finish our work. To showing this time duration before, we have to use by preposition here. Then after given here, it has been raining since morning. It means rain the rain is coming here, the rain is raining since morning. So since and for, since showing here the fixed point of time here, since and for show the fixed time here. So the action is going on since morning. To showing here the work is going on, the task is going on since morning, and still now during the times of speaking the work is also going on. To show the work is starting, the work is going on since morning, and now during the times of speaking the work is also continuing. For that showing we have to use since and for. It means since is proper word, proper preposition to show here the work is going on since long duration of time here. Then the water flowed down the hill. If something is coming from upper side to the downside, if something is coming from upper to down, so on that time we have to use down preposition here. So the where is water coming from? So the water is flow from upper to down here. So down is used when something is coming here from upper side to the downside here. Then the boy is behind the tree. If someone is hiding behind something, the boy is behind the tree. So the next position is given here. So where is the boy? So the boy is behind the tree. It means the tree is first, and showing here something is second position here. It means but hiding way. If the boy is hiding behind the tree, so we can say that the boy is behind the tree here. Suppose temple is behind the hospital is there. So where is the temple? So behind the hospital we can see here, we can show here behind is used after something here. Then the shop is beside the road. It means too much nearer. The road is first, then the shop is there. So beside it means too much near, not a long duration here. Too much near, for showing the too much near we have to use beside for the shop here. So beside, so here the too much near object. Then we can say that some important words are there to important preposition that help us to make our sentence better. So like we can say that if we want to tell here the preposition of place here, we show here preposition of place, so we can use here under, down, on, between, among, into, in, near, beside, behind, below, in front of, etc. are some words that help us to make the sentence in preposition of place here. Then preposition of time. So preposition of time, some words are there like since, for, by, till, at, on, in, before, after, etc. are words that show the preposition of time. Thank you.